Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Mi Waza Joy-Cons that you can buy from Noon. Link is in the description, and if you use the code OFT you will get a cashback. So here, as you can see, the box it is in Chinese language, as you can see, and these one is the cheapest available right now that you can get. So if you buy the original one, it will cost you around 350 Saudi Riyals, but if you buy these, it will cost you around 115 Saudi Riyals, which is very good. Comes with hand straps as well. So as you can see, we have our Joy-Cons for the right side, as you can see. So let me just open this up, and as you can see on the bottom we have IR sensor, and the clickiness is also very good actually. So it does not feel cheap compared to the original ones. So here, as you can see, the color also looks very good actually, gray color. Analog is also very good, and the buttons is also very good, guys. So as you can see on the back side, does not feel cheap at all, guys, in my opinion. And here is our hand strap cover, as you can see. If you want to play multiplayer games, or if you want to play wirelessly, so you can put that strap. Here is for the left side. I also ordered a case from Noon as well, which I am going to show you in a few minutes. So here's the left side, as you can see, and the build quality, guys, is amazing. So let me just slide it. So far so good, looks very good actually. The buttons, trigger button is also very good, as you can see. Does not feel cheap at all, guys. In this price range I cannot complain honestly, because it's a lot cheaper compared to the original ones. So let me put it. As you can see how it's looking on the switch, looks very good. So let me just show you the case that I ordered. The case, as you can see, it's also very good. It is very thin and protects your console. So guys, I'm going to test the Joy-Cons and skip this video and let you know if you should buy these Joy-Cons or not in this price range. So after testing the Joy-Cons, guys, I 100% recommend you to buy these, and these are very good Joy-Cons in this price range. So if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.